Find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. Sit or lie down, whichever is comfortable for you. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself becoming calm and centered. Imagine standing in a vast, glowing space filled with golden light. This light represents pure abundance and limitless potential. You can feel its warmth on your skin, a gentle and energizing force surrounding you. As you stand here, envision a powerful energy swirling around you, like a vortex of success, drawing in new customers and opportunities with every passing moment. Stretch your hands out and feel this magnetic energy tintling at your fingertips, pulsating with life and abundance. The air hums with possibility. Now, visualize your online business before you. See the number of subscribers growing rapidly, one new notification after another, the numbers climbing faster than you can count. Ding, a new subscriber joins. Ding, ding, another two sign up. More and more, the numbers double, then triple, then multiply exponentially. The sound of success fill your ears. The ding of notifications, the joyful chime of payments, the buzz of messages from excited customers. Each sound reinforces your reality. Growth is happening right now. Feel your phone vibrating in your hand with constant notifications. Picture yourself scrolling through an endless list of happy customers, positive testimonials, and messages from subscribers who love what you offer. Your heart swells with gratitude and excitement. Every cell in your body hums with certainty. My business is thriving. Growth is inevitable. Success is multiplying effortlessly. Imagine your fingers running across a crisp stack of invoices, each one representing the revenue pouring in. Feel the weight of abundance, solid, real, and ever expanding. As you embrace the success, imagine the smell of fresh paper from printed invoices and welcome letters sent to your new subscribers and customers. The scent of opportunities, fresh, clean, and invigorating. Take a sip of any drink to celebrate a rich, smooth taste of success. Maybe it's your favorite coffee, a refreshing fruit juice, or even champagne. Let the sensation dance on your tongue, filling you with joy, confirmation, and satisfaction. Feel yourself radiating confidence. Stand tall, shoulders back, and smile as if you've already achieved your goal. Because you have. Every moment, more and more people are discovering your business, your magazine. With every breath, visualize expansion. Your reach is doubling. tripling, multiplying effortlessly. Your subscribers are renewing and referring others. Your income is increasing daily, creating unlimited freedom and impact. Take one last deep breath in, absorbing this reality into every fiber of your being. Hold onto this feeling, knowing that it is already yours. Now, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Smile, because the universe is already working on your expansion. Affirm, my business multiplies effortlessly every day. Subscribers and customers are drawn to me in waves. I am magnetic to abundance, and success flows to me naturally and joyfully. Use this visualization daily and feel the excitement as if it's already happening. The more real it feels, the faster it manifests. Your exponential growth is already in motion.